Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm about to show you a potent hair growth treatment that will help you achieve a clean, beautiful, healthy, thick and shiny hair. I'm going to show you the ingredients to use, how to prepare it, and how to use it to achieve a thick and healthy hair. This hairspray will help revive your hair and reduce any form of loss. It will also help you getting your hair from the stage where it has fallen out, looking thin and unhealthy, to a clean, healthy and full state like mine. So let's jump right into the video. The first ingredient to be using for this hair growth spray is rosemary leaves. Feel free to use the dried rosemary leaves or the fresh ones. Rosemary leaves create an optimal environment for the hair to grow. It also reduces inflammation and enhances blood circulation. These leaves can be used for hairsprays and hair oils. Rosemary can be mixed with other extras like almond oil, dried lavender flowers, marshmallow roots, and sage leaves. Each addition brings its own special benefit to an already beneficial product. For the mixture, I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Remember, since it's a spray, you can make use of the fresh ones. But as long as you're making oil, I would advise you use the dried rosemary leaves. Cloves is the next ingredient. Cloves help improve blood circulation in the scalp, which help deliver nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles. It lowers hair breakage and enhances your hair quality. Cloves also help maintain a healthy scalp environment by reducing the risk of infections and conditions that can impede hair growth. Cinnamon. You can make use of the cinnamon powder or the cinnamon sticks, but you will see why you should make use of the sticks and not the powder at the end of this video. This Ayurveda contains a compound that may stimulate hair follicles and help with hair growth. It protects the scalp and hair from inflammation and dandruff. Its antimicrobial property also helps prevent scalp infection. The last ingredient to be adding is fenugreek seeds. If you've never added fenugreek seeds to your hair treatment, you should consider adding fenugreek seeds from now on, as it is a very potent Ayurveda. Fenugreek, also known as Mephi seeds, are frequently used as a natural home remedy for thinning and other related scalp conditions such as dandruff, dry or itchy scalp. So if you have dandruff, dry or itchy scalp, I'd advise you add fenugreek seeds to your routine, maybe for your hair teas, hairspray or whatever. Just add it to your oil if you have these hair conditions. Popular media also has claimed that they are the secret to growing thick and shiny hair. So why not try that out? To the mixture, I'll be adding about 500 ml worth of water to this, and I'll be leaving this for 12 hours. I won't be leaving it overnight like I always do, because this is not a hair oil and 12 hours is enough for the nutrients from the ingredient to be infused into my water. So I'll be leaving this for about 12 hours. So we're going to leave it for 12 hours and come back. So after 12 hours, this is how the mixture looks like. Please guys, do not let this exceed 12 hours. If you look closely, you will see that the fenugreek is kind of swollen, and this means that the nutrient has penetrated into my water. I'm going to be straining this with my iron sieve. This is the first mistake I made. I'm going to show you in the end how this was a very great mistake, and it led to a lot of problem the day I tried to apply this spray. But yeah, this is how the water looks like, and I'll be transferring it into my short, cute spray bottle with my finally gotten funnel. You guys know that I've been looking for funnels. No, I've not been looking for I've been lazy to get a funnel, and guys, this is how my funnel looks. I love it. It looks cute and it's just nice. It makes everything very easy for me. So I've transferred this into my spray bottle, and this is how my hairspray looks like. As you already know, the next stage is to apply this spray onto my hair. So let's go on. All right, guys. So I'm on mini twists, very cute one at that, and I'll be applying this spray to my hair. My hair is about, I think, 1 week here. That's why it's looking very neat, and my hairdresser did a very good job in that box braid. Yeah, she did a very good job. So the first thing I'll be doing is to apply this hairspray onto my scalp, and as you can see, again, I'm already facing some difficulty. I was wondering why that was happening. I thought my spray bottle had gone bad until I went in and switched to another spray bottle, as you can see, and the spray was still kind of hard, to come out. So guys, let me explain what happened. So this hairspray has sand in it, and the sand is cinnamon, which is why I said please make use of the cinnamon sticks and not the powder. Or if you're going to make use of the powder, you should have, or I should have used the cheesecloth and not just the iron sieve. I should have made use of the cheesecloth. And as you saw earlier, I just went on ahead to pour the mixture onto my palm, and I just applied it onto my hair. Any which ways it works, but I'm ready for sand to be in my hair. But as long as it's going to do its work, yeah, that's just what was important. After applying it to my scalp, I went ahead to apply it to my hair, and I went on to the next stage, which is to apply my oil. Feel free to apply conditioner, but because I already did a lot of treatment on my hair, I just went ahead to apply the oil right after the hairspray. Normally, it's supposed to be LCO, liquid, cream or leave-in conditioner, and oil. And as you can see, what I did here was liquid straight into oil, because I have done the LCO not so long. So after all the application, feel free to plump your ends with shea butter like I always do. But in this video, I won't be doing that because, like I said, my hair is new and I had done all those things on my head before. So I just went ahead to spray this onto my hair, apply my oil, massage it for a few minutes, and yeah, I was done. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.